Welcome and thank you for stopping by my channel. This series I'm just going to be teaching the basics of Python. Why I decided to do Python is because my 10-year-old son has decided he wants to learn. He wants to be a NASA engineer when he grows up, and he believes Python will be essential for that. So I want to try and teach him how to code, how to start coding. So these tutorials will be geared at a basic level, so that even a 10-year-old can understand. I work a lot away from home and stuff, so it's good for me to be able to record and put it up there for him to practice, and then when I'm home on the weekends we can go through it together and see what he can and can't do. So with that said, the first thing you will need is obviously Python. Um, so if you log on to python.org/downloads, you can see there's any number of releases that you can download, so you should probably go with the latest version. Also, you'll notice that there is different versions here. You got version 2 and you got version 3. So version 2 is an older version, and I might do a video on that at some stage. It's an older version that will be obsolete, so I recommend version 3 point whatever you want, and all my videos will be in version 3. To see what version you have already on your PC, if you have, just open up your command prompt and type in the words Python. You can see I have Python 3.7, so you can go ahead and do the same. If nothing comes up there, then you don't have Python and you just need to download it. So for these tutorials I'll just be using the basic idle editor that comes with the Python download. There's any number of editors out there. Most time I use Visual Studio Code, but we'll get onto that at some other stage. But for these lessons we'll just be using the built-in idle. So if we open that up, okay, so when you open it up you get this window, and this window is great. The shell is great. You can type something in and it will print it straight back out for you. So for example, if we use the print command, we print hello, you can see it tells me hello. So I use this for debugging, or if I want to figure out what different commands are doing, it's used for that. But the build programs, we actually need an editor to start writing them in. So if you just go to file and new file, you'll see that we have a new file here where we can just start writing some code. So again, we go with the same format, so we can go print hello, and you'll need to save it, but if you click run it'll prompt you anyway. So run module must be saved. We'll save that as my first program. Click save, and you'll see it run. So you'll see over here on the shell we got this hello, and if we change that to something else, we could change that to, no, let's change it to hello world. Click run again, and over here you see hello world. So it's a quick and easy way of getting set up. Just download Python, and we're going to use the built-in editor, play around with the shell, type in print command, and then open up a new file, save it and run, and see how you get on. So that's it for today. The next day then we'll move on and we'll start talking about strings and variables and other aspects of Python. So hope you come back, and thanks for watching.